tutorial another time because I forgot to put this before I did it. So I cleaned my brushes and everything. And, it's even brighter in person, but I can't show it to you in person. And it totally matches my Bobby Jack shirt. Yep. So I put my Bobby Jack shirt. Not listening. Alright. Well, that's all I wanted to show you, so, information and Bethany, your account is reopened. I don't know, it said hasn't signed in for 5 months, but for some reason it's open. I don't know why. I was there this morning. I left a comment on your channel. Well, now I comment not in the comment. So, all you gotta do is search and never copy or you submit. So, I hope you like this video, and this video is dedicated to Bethany because I know she loves makeup. So I hope you're having a good time out there, Bethany.